Have you ever noticed the colored lines on your toothpaste tube and wondered what they mean? As you embark on your daily ritual of brushing your teeth, you might have overlooked these small yet intriguing details. These seemingly insignificant colored lines, often found near the bottom of your toothpaste tube, hold a secret that many of us are unaware of. A secret that has been hiding in plain sight in our bathrooms for years. So, what do they represent? Well, today, we unravel this little-known mystery. There have been many rumors around these colored lines. Some say they're like a secret language, spelling out the ingredients in your toothpaste. They claim that each color stands for a different ingredient, like a coded recipe for fresh breath and pearly whites. Others argue that the lines differentiate between natural and chemical components. They see it as a divide, a battle line drawn in the sand of your toothpaste tube, separating the organic from the synthetic, the wholesome from the potentially harmful. There are even those who believe the lines are a kind of quality marker, an indicator of the toothpaste's overall worth or effectiveness. The more lines, the better the toothpaste, or so the theory goes. These rumors have circulated for years, whispered between friends, shared on social media, and debated in online forums. But are these rumors true? Let's dig a bit deeper. So, what do these colored lines on toothpaste tubes actually mean? It's a question that sparked countless debates and theories. But the answer is quite simple and far less mysterious than you might think. These lines, often referred to as eye marks, serve a very specific and practical purpose during the manufacturing process. Imagine a bustling factory floor filled with the hum of machinery. These machines are responsible for creating the toothpaste tubes we use every day. But how do they know where to cut and fold the packaging? That's where the eye marks come in. They act as guides, telling the machinery exactly where to cut and fold the packaging. It's an efficient and precise system that ensures every tube comes out just right. Now you might be wondering about the color of these lines. Is there some hidden meaning behind whether they're black, red, green, or blue? The short answer is no. The color of the eye marks doesn't hold any secret significance. It's simply a matter of preference that varies from company to company. Some manufacturers might choose one color over another simply because it stands out more against the packaging, making it easier for the machinery to read. So it turns out these lines are less about secrets and more about practicality. They're a testament to the ingenuity and efficiency of modern manufacturing processes, ensuring every toothpaste tube is perfectly formed and ready for use. Let's debunk some of the myths surrounding these colored lines. You might have heard whispers suggesting these lines are secret codes indicating the composition of your toothpaste. Some say a green line means it's natural, blue signifies medicinal ingredients, and red indicates a chemical composition. Intriguing as these theories might be, they are, unfortunately, nothing more than myths. The truth is, these lines have nothing to do with the ingredients or the nature of the toothpaste. They're not secret codes, nor are they health indicators. The purpose they serve is purely mechanical, assisting in the manufacturing and packaging process. If you're interested in the ingredients of your toothpaste, the best place to find that information is on the packaging itself, usually listed on the back in fine print. So next time you see a colored line on your toothpaste tube, you'll know exactly what it's for. So, we've demystified the colored lines on toothpaste tubes. We've journeyed through a world of rumors, misconceptions, and finally, the truth. We started off with the common beliefs that these lines were indicative of the ingredients, their health impacts, or even secret codes. But as we delved deeper, we found that these were nothing more than myths, often perpetuated by misinformation. The true purpose of these lines, as we discovered, is much less sinister and far more practical. They are simply marks used in the manufacturing process, guiding machines on where to cut and fold the tubes. So, while they may add a splash of color to your toothpaste tube, they have no bearing on the contents within. By debunking these myths, we've hopefully cleared up any confusion and put to rest any unwarranted concerns. Remember, it's always important to seek out credible sources when forming our understanding. That's the secret behind the colored lines on your toothpaste tube. A small detail, but an interesting one nonetheless.